welcome you back to my small beautiful den. And with your speech, I could sense that you have really like the welcoming, whatever little with love that we've done. I think this is what I could sense, and I think this is going to be memorable, yet another memory for you. And I think again I would thank you indeed for you taking out time to come to my den and give some valuable words to the skiers. They are very new, but next time when you come, I know for sure that they're going to interact a lot. So I forgive the juniors for now because it's just been not even 2 months. I think 1.5 months to 2 months, right? So they're very new in the industry, I would say. So because the reason I'm saying in the industry is I don't want them to wait to go in the industry and become part of the industry, but the industry starts from now itself, starts from home, right? So there were very few questions that came across. But I'm sure whatever Sir said, Mr. Gurung has given valuable words to all of you. I'm sure it is going to help you, and he gave a good demo with Parvat, and there were few volunteers who came. I'm very happy to see you all coming out of your seat and volunteering. But that's how we build up our confidence, right? And slow and steady wins the race. We'll keep on doing slowly, and it is not just about. I keep on saying that it is not just technical thing that we need to be expert on, but we need to also know who we are, what is our capability. Each one of us are different, and each one of us are special. We just need to identify ourselves, and we just need to rock this world because it's one time life, we only live once, right? YOLO is what I say, and I believe in that, right? So, I मजाले नै एक्सप्लेन गर्नुभयो सरको पनि एक्सपिरियन्स रहेछ उहाँ मलेसियामा पढ्नु भएको त्यहाँदेखि he is into film directing and all that, but yet he looks very humble. र यहाँबाट के पनि सिक्नु सक्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ like I keep on saying, we need to be a bamboo in life, right? The more you grow, you need to bow. That is what the attitude is, and this industry seeks for that only. If you have the right attitude, I think this is the industry you can grow. If you don't have the attitude, this is the industry you can't survive a second as well. Right? Which is very important, Sandha. So there's going to be many more sessions like this whenever I get opportunities like this, because it is not just technically we need to be sound, like I say, but we need to be skilled in every angle, everywhere. The way we talk, the way we think about others, the way we treat others. Technical subjects are there that we can pass in overnight also. 100 on 100, wow, lovely marks, excellent, right? But behavior is what counts the most, and I love the example of you telling industry is related to acting also, and I think that was a very good, and since we come from the industry and we've experienced the industry, we have to act a lot. In 5 seconds we are different, another 5 seconds we are different, because there are a variety of clients, a variety of guests who comes. Some are very good. If the guest is very good, then yes, if the guest is laughing, we are laughing. If the guest is sad, in 5 minutes back we were very happy, giggling and all that. Next second there's a problem in one of the room and the guest comes and yells, and even you have to empathize. So there's acting, switch, lights, camera, action. And actually I tell them you have to always have this lights, camera, action in this industry. Do I tell that or not? To the seniors, because if you are sad at home, personally there's some problem there, you come and you take that bag and then you start throwing off to your team members or to the environment that you are in, it's going to affect the environment. But all you can do is lights, camera, action, and cheese, smile, how may I assist you? That's what we do. And I think Sir has rightly said, that's the reason I'm saying. Acting and skills in the industry is very important. Was it fruitful? Yes. But I'm really sad, but you all didn't interact, which I forgive you. But you should have a lot of questions actually, like even if this is not a subject of yours, you should have a lot of questions. I have a lot of questions, but I can't ask. I can ask him in the cabin also. But I wanted you all to, I've got so many questions to ask. Keep that curiosity alive. Then we know whether our brain is working or not. Okay, if this is not his subject also, it's absolutely fine. But maybe you can ask him something which might be related to your queries. You never know. Just because this is not my subject doesn't mean that we just keep quiet. Right? You can always ask, how's the weather? Break the ice. How's the weather in Nepal? What is the place that we can go to in Nepal? If I go with my grandparents, what is the right season? If I go with my friends, because grandparents, friends, can grandparents go for trekking? Can friends go for trekking? So there's a difference in the question that you asked. Is it related to your sessions right now? Is it related to the course that you're going? It is not. It is just a general conversation, right? Because in the industry, we have to talk with anyone and everyone. Whether you like it or not, you need to have that thing. How do I crack? How do I break the ice? For people who talk, if any stranger comes to me and talk, that person will be fine because I talk. I love talking. I'll talk. But if I'm somebody who's very quiet, and you need to know, right? What are my choices and all. So what you need to do is you have to do tuk tuk woodpecker, break the ice, right? So that's what this industry is all about here. So with this, I once more thank you from this platform along with my Skillens for being here with us today and giving us wonderful techniques about your actings. And I think it was really, really nice of you to take out time, because I know how your schedule has been. So you took out all the time just to spend time with us. Thank you once again from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Last opportunity. Any questions for him? Please shoot it out. Any questions? Let this moment be very memorable for him, no, rather than being very I give you a hint, no? Not necessary you ask about actings and all. Just make it a memorable one. There are a lot of questions. Yeah, no? Oh, so they go